Welcome to another Olympiad math video. In this video, we are going to be solving for 2 to the 20th power minus 4. Now the first step is we need to rewrite this so it is more manageable. Now we can take the multiplication properties of powers to rewrite 2 to the power of 20. We're going to use this in reverse and factor out 20 so that it is more manageable. So for example, this is an example of how you could do that. So a to the power of 10 to the power of 2 is equal to a to the power of 20. We're going to be doing that same thing, except with 2. So we can rewrite out 2 to the power of 10 squared. And we're also going to rewrite out 4 as 2 squared. Now we're going to do that because of this simple property down here. When a squared plus b minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now we can apply what a squared minus b squared is perfectly to this problem. For our problem, a is equal to 2 to the power of 10 and b is equal to 2. Now let's go ahead and rewrite this out based on this equation. We'll have 2 to the 10 plus 2 times 2 to the 10 minus 2. Now we need to go ahead and solve for 2 to the power of 10. So we can rewrite 2 to the power of 10 as 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 4 times 2 squared. Now we can go ahead and solve for 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. So we now have 16 times 16. We're also going to break out the 2 squared into times 2 and times 2. Now let's go ahead and multiply 16 times 16. That's a number you should have memorized. 16 times 16 is equal to 256 times 2 times 2. Now we'll go ahead and multiply 256 times 2. It's equal to 512 times 2, and lastly, we have 1,024. Now that we know that 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1,024, we can plug that into our problem. So we'll have 1,024 plus 2 times 1,024 minus 2, which we can simplify down to 1,026 times 1,022. Now we're going to go ahead and use long division. I'm not going to fully explain how to do long division in this video. At this point in your math experience, you should be able to do that, but I will also be creating a long multiplication video soon. If I previously said long division, I meant long multiplication. So let's go ahead and do that. This is what long multiplication would look like. And lastly, we'd add up our numbers and end up with 1,048,572. So therefore, 2 to the power of 20 minus 4 is equal to 1,048,572. And that's how you solve that one. Memorizing those equations helps a lot. And please stay tuned for more Olympiad math videos. Thank you for watching.